Hello friends, how are you doing? Now, the great agents of HNIB have delivered a cache of documents after a thorough investigation that has lasted for 8 months. It is so comprehensive that even through this social media address, I'm unable to cover everything. But I will definitely cover a few things of interest. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining. Let's start the process of exposing these people who have generally been stealing from the sick and from Kenyans, and at the same time pretending to be pretending to hold a higher moral ground. What I will do, let's agree, because I also need to go to Twitter for spaces that's already advertised. What I will do, I'll go through the general. As you can see from this table, I have document after document, and some documents are up to 30-50 pages document. Some of them are commitment letters, some to avoid the procurement. Some of them you can even see they have handwriting saying please assist, and basically some of them even have names and addresses of who to be assisted. You know, procurement director, please assist. This is a Jubilee referral, please assist. This is one of our own. There is even stamp, or some of them dated 7th July. I have document after document. These documents are going to be uploaded on a PDF on our website near you. I've been talking to some bloggers and people who own blogs and websites so that they can upload the PDF. So the PDF will be uploaded by at least 40 bloggers who I have contacted and I'm working with, have agreed to work with me on this one so that they can be able to upload it. So the documents are there, they will be uploaded. Beyond that, there is a bigger document that then shows which company it is, when was the contract done, when did what was the reason for award, was it a direct procurement, and was it emergency, the list of directors, shareholders and beneficial owners, nationality of the directors, because you'll find some who are not even Kenyans, and then of course the postal addresses. So what we have is a legit thing. You will obviously expect after this there will be several people raising different issues as they always do, but we are ready for them because this has been a comprehensive investigation which builds up on what has been happening. We have a list that goes to almost this 360 people who are involved in this thing. I only mentioned the ones who would be of great interest to our country because of the positions they hold and the claims they have made in public as opposed to what they are doing in private in darkness. We will continue exposing this for the next 2-3 days, but for now, ladies and gentlemen, you have it. Thank you very much. Let's now meet on Twitter, where we are going to have a Twitter space in a few.